Yes, Puff Thomas. Yes, Puff Thomas. His name is, but before Thomas could finish, Hector had biffed and bashed Bill and Ben. He had shouted at Thomas, and he had frightened Rosie so much that she had puffed away. Now the extra delivery would never be ready. Thomas had had enough. Hector had biffed and bashed Bill and Ben. He had shouted at Thomas, and he had frightened Rosie so much that she had puffed away. Thomas had had enough. You really are horrid. Are you all right, Henry? No. Just then Emily arrived. Are you all right, Henry? No. Are you all right, Henry? Emily, the late engine, Emily, the late engine, they sang. This made Emily very cross. Oh no, they cried, and they splashed into the duck pond. Emily was covered in a flowery mess.
Stop!
Emily! Thomas! You were told not to go out without your snowplow!
Do you know who's crying? Kylan's crying. You're right. Kylan's crying. You're right. Kylan's crying. You're right.
Kylan's crying. You're right.
Kylan's crying. You're right. Kylan's crying. You're right. Let's find out why. Kylan is sad. Remember what happened before Kylan started crying? It got really windy, and everything for the party got messed up. Our decorations! Whoa! They're flying away! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Try to read! Let's get them! Yaya's car! Yaya's pineapple cake! Leo, what's the witch doing? She's tricking them. The witch is locking Hansel and Gretel inside her gingerbread house. Yes, it's the witch. And look, she's pointing her magic wand. Uh-oh, that sounds like the witch. And look. She's using her magic wand to make herself louder. And that's making her bigger. She's conducting a crescendo.